Hello, students. Welcome back. Welcome back to our digital classroom. So, after a long vacation, we are meeting, and today I'm going to continue the chapter which we have started before vacation, minerals. This is the second part of the chapter minerals, in which I'm going to discuss with you all uses of minerals, distribution of minerals, and conservation of minerals. But before going to start all those things, let's revise what we have done in the previous videos. At first, I've started with the introduction of minerals and I talked about difference between minerals and ores. Minerals are homogeneous, naturally occurring substances with a definable internal structure, whereas an ore is a naturally occurring material having one or more materials in sufficient concentration mixed with other elements. So, this is the basic difference between minerals and ore. Now, extraction of minerals was the second thing which I have discussed in the previous video. The economic activity of extraction of minerals from rocks is called mining. Basically, there are two types of mining which we have discussed: surface mining and underground mining. Mining, as you can look at this picture, this is the picture related to surface mining. It is also known as open cast mining. In this method, minerals are extracted from shallow depths by removing the overlying material. It is the cheapest and easiest method of mining. Surface mining is used for those minerals that occur close to the surface, whereas underground mining, as you can see on the screen, this is the picture related to underground mining. Underground mining, which is also known as shaft mining, in this method minerals are extracted from extreme depths. It is a costlier method of mining. It requires more skills to dig a shaft. This method of mining is risky as well, as poisonous gases, fire, etc. lead to fatal accidents. After that, we discussed, the difference between rock and minerals. So, a rock is a solid, inorganic, naturally formed material of the earth without a particular structure or chemical composition, whereas a mineral is a solid, inorganic, naturally formed substance which has a crystalline structure and a specific chemical composition. So this is, the basic difference between rock and minerals. After that, we discussed there are two types of minerals: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Then we discussed metallic minerals are again subdivided into ferrous minerals, and ferrous minerals is, the examples of ferrous minerals are iron, manganese, etc. Non-ferrous minerals, that is, the example of non-ferrous minerals are copper, bauxite, etc. Now here non-metallic minerals again is subdivided into two parts: organic minerals and inorganic minerals. Organic minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Inorganic minerals, graphite, mica, limestone, etc. So these are the examples of inorganic minerals. This was the assignment which I have given you in the previous video. Before, apart from this, I have also discussed about, the what are in detail, what are metallic minerals and what are non-metallic minerals. So we discussed that metallic minerals are hard and shiny, and when it is hit, it it is easily get broken. They are ductile and malleable, and metallic minerals are found in igneous rocks, whereas non-metallic minerals are found in sedimentary rocks and they are not as hard as metallic minerals. When hit, they get broken into several pieces. They are not ductile and malleable. About non-metallic minerals, we discussed about organic minerals and inorganic minerals. So organic minerals are those that contain organic matter, And fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, etc., are derived from the buried plants and animals, and they come in the category of organic minerals. Whereas in organic minerals, they are those minerals that do not contain organic matter, and they are called inorganic minerals. For example, limestone, graphite, etc., are the examples of inorganic minerals. Now, in this video, as I've already told you, that we are going to discuss about distribution of minerals, uses of minerals, and conservation of minerals. So this is, the table. As you can see, as you can look at the picture, look at the screen. This is the distribution of minerals, where metallic minerals is written one side, at the other side it's written distribution, means where these minerals are found. So the following table shows the worldwide distribution of minerals. So iron ore is found mostly in China, Australia, Brazil, India, Russia. Manganese, that is again China, Brazil, South Africa, Australia. Aluminium, Australia, Brazil, China, Guyana. Copper, uh, China, Chile, USA, Indonesia, and China. Gold, China, Australia, USA, South Africa. Silver, Peru, Mexico, China, Australia. Tin, China, Indonesia, and Peru. Now we are going to talk about non-metallic minerals. Those are coal, petroleum, and mica. So coal, that is found in China, USA, India, Australia. Petroleum, Russia, South Arabia, USA, Iran. Mica, China, USA, Australia, and India. So these are, the worldwide distribution of minerals. Now we are going to talk about uses of minerals. What are the uses? Why minerals are used? So the very first point is about minerals like silica, limestone, salt, etc. are used to make toothpastes. So toothpaste, for making toothpaste, such minerals are used. You know that almost everything that we use, from a tiny needle to a towering building, is made up of minerals. Thus minerals are an integral part of our life. They are very important. So second point is talking about iron ore and many other minerals which are used in various industries. Thus, they are very useful for industrial growth of a country. Now, the third point is about minerals are also used in building houses, schools, offices, shops, etc. Now, the next point talks about some minerals like phosphate, rock, potash, lime. They are used in fertilizers to enhance the agricultural productivity of the land. Then bauxite, which is an ore of aluminium, is used in making aluminium foil and aeroplane parts. Then copper, very important mineral. Copper is used to make electrical wires and sculptures. Then minerals like borax, calcite are used in making antiseptic soaps, medicines, etc. So those were some of the uses of minerals. Now this is the last section of this chapter, conservation of minerals. As we know that the minerals are very important for the development of every country. Thus, they need to be conserved in a proper manner. Minerals are limited and it takes millions of years for their formation. However, minerals are continuously extracted. Thus, it is very important for us to conserve them for future generation so that future generation can use them too. Conservation of minerals refer to use of minerals in a planned and sustainable manner. That you need to understand. Conservation of minerals means use of minerals in a planned and sustainable manner so that future generation can get the benefit of that. Mineral resources should be used judiciously in the following ways. So there are three ways which we are going to discuss. First one, minerals or metals should be recycled. So recycling part is very important. Second point, that is technologies should be developed to explore and to use lower grade minerals as an alternate. Now, the third point, that is some alternative material should be used so that mineral resources can be conserved. So these three important points you need to learn by heart, how minerals can be conserved. So this is the second assignment of this chapter, students, in which you have to write a short note on metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. As I've already told you, as I've already given you 3 to 4 points in each, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals too. Again, I am going to make you revise those things. Metallic minerals which yield metals on smelting are called metallic minerals. So first of all, you are going to define what are metallic minerals, and then you are going to write the properties of metallic minerals. First property, that they are hard and shiny. Second one, when hit they do not get broken. Third point, they are ductile and malleable. And fourth point, metallic minerals are found in igneous rocks. Similarly, you will write the definition of non-metallic minerals first, and then 4 points you have to write. I hope you will do it on your own now. So students, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have understood the things which we have discussed in this video. Now the question answers will be discussed in the online class, which is going to be conducted in the next week. Right. So question answers and all the fill in the blanks, match the following, all those stuffs will be discussed in the online class too. So try to join the online class in large numbers. So I'll see you in the next video with a new chapter, that is South America. Till then, all of you take care. Bye bye.